I'm Celeste Angelica. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have a huge thirst for adventure. The past few years of sharing my life online has taught me to channel my passions and always set goals. It has encouraged me to exemplify a positive mindset for my audience.
It's just so beautiful here.
It has taught me to keep an open mind and be brave. It has reminded me of how important self-care is. Let's just say it's been one cathartic experience. I have accepted that there is always room for improvement and will continue striving to be the best version of myself, despite that there will be obstacles.
Oh my god, what am I doing?
Look at my channel as a safe place where we can learn together and communicate our thoughts, fears, and goals openly and freely. On here you will find fashion and beauty. Some natural, some glam.
Because you know your girl's gotta glow.
Food. Lots of food. Travels. Some near, some far. Spontaneous road trips. My love for animals. Hopefully laughter. Wellness tips and so much more to help inspire you to live your best life as I try to do the same.
I hope you're having a great day or night wherever you are in the world. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any videos. And I will see you very soon in the next one.